gosh.
Who's Krabby?
Not Krabby. Krabby when you say I'm Krabby.
Who's Krabby?
Where's my sister Krabby?
Krabby. This is the project.
Where did you just sand carry on top of the cupboards?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, we pulled all the boards off and we're sanding,
Up there,
filled them with
down.
plaster and
You're not
sanding.
Done. You're not done though.
No, because it was still wet. Yep.
Okay.
This one's done. That one right up there.
Yeah, but you know when you do over there, it's gonna fly, so there's no sense in wiping
I thought
it
you
until
were
you're done.
wiping.
Well, I am, but there's no sense in wiping it because it'll fly over.
I think you know everything. That's lovely.
That's what I'll deal with you.
So then we primering all the walls. Primering, is that a word? Putting prime on primer. Fuzzy pumper. Priming, see? Yeah, see? It's gonna look so nice when it's done. Should have taken a little video footage beforehand, but that's okay.
Yeah, we need to put some of that stuff on there, Tanisha.
Alright, I gotta get back to sanding now.
Yeah.
Some sanding to do up there. I don't know what my sister's doing.
Just making sure this pan's not gonna start on fire.
Tanisha's cleaning
Tanisha, I'll
up
catch that with the
stuff.
vacuum too.